Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Thursday, November the 6th, and the markets are up and in the green this morning. We've got earnings coming out after market close from two key firms to give a sense of what's going on in the consumer side of the economy. First is Airbnb. So that'll give us a sense of what's going on in the travel and leisure space and the willingness of consumers to spend there. But the second one is Affirm Holdings, and probably just, if not more important than Airbnb, because it's a fintech that allows consumers to finance their purchases over, say, 3 to 4 months. So instead of paying for something, maybe a new mattress or a television, whatever it is. It could be, I think it has to be over a certain amount, maybe $100. You can break it down into, say, 4 monthly installments, and then they make a significant amount on the interest they charge there. It's not a firm that you want to see growing and benefiting, because that tells you that the consumer is struggling and they need to finance their purchases. And if that's the case, then it tells you the economy is probably not very strong, or wage growth isn't keeping up with inflation, or something is off. It's a bit of a red flag in terms of the economy. So that's a stock just to watch to get a sense of what's going on. I'm a little concerned at this point in the market and time of year. So I've done very well this year. I'm up over 20% in all of my accounts. Very grateful. Been a fabulous year. Made some amazing trades, but I'm cautious that we might see a pullback between now and the end of the year. And so I've gone to 50% cash in all of my positions right now. And I do have some cash still available to allow for some trades here and there. But for the most part, I'm going to stay in a cash position through to the end of the year and just wait for those buyback opportunities. Now, where I feel there is a fabulous buyback opportunity is in financials. So I've been watching and trading Goldman Sachs the last couple of days, and I think it's got a lot of potential. We heard this morning from VST. It is down. That's the utility Vistra. VST looks like it is off significantly, $6 and change this morning. So I'm assuming bad earnings. I haven't had a chance to look at that. Those were to come out pre-market. We'll see what happens after market, but that's kind of where we are. Just be risk averse with the end of the year. If you've done well, cash out and take your profits. Make sure you lock in before the end of the year, and don't let those evade you and lose them by holding on through the end of the year and potentially losing them in a